here we have here Mailchimp, and what you want to do is just for your reference, let's go to pricing, and if we scroll down, you'll see that here's the general pricing plan. For our demonstration here, we're just going to go with a free account, and as you can see on here, the free account is not bad actually. You don't pay anything, and you get 2,000 subscribers. So for somebody who's just playing around with this and starting new, that works. And you can have up to 12,000 emails per month, and that's pretty much all you need. Okay, so we're going to sign up for free, and I'll put in our email address. Okay, so I had a username duplicate, so I've just changed it now, and we'll click on get started. And there you go. Now we just have to go back to our email and confirm that our email is legitimate, and we can activate the account. Alright, here we are in our Gmail account. I'm going to find our email and activate our account. Click on I'm not a robot. And here's where we enter our name. Alright guys, so here we are in our Mailchimp account, and I've finished everything, and as you can see on here, I've clicked on list. And what we're going to be doing is creating a new list to hold our name and our email for the website opt-in. We'll create a list. Next, we're going to be writing a reminder of how people signed up on our list, and we'll just copy what they have down here. You can pretty much put anything you want. Scroll down. And what we want on here is we don't want double opt-in. Double opt-in, for those of you that don't know, is if somebody signs up on your list and you have this enabled, what Mailchimp's going to do is it's going to send them another email to confirm with them that they signed up for our website, and our services, and we don't want to do that. And down here on notifications, you see this is how often we want Mailchimp to inform us of people joining our list or opting in. And for me, daily summary is good enough. And we'll click on save. And there you go, we have a brand new list. The next thing we need to do on our list is to configure the fields so that we can have just name and email. To do that, let's go to, I believe, settings, and we're going to go to list fields and merge tags. And this is by default the list that they will provide you, but all we need in this case is just the email. And as you can see on here, these options to check for required or visible is not available because email is a must. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretty much keep just the name. We'll change that to first name and last name, or just name in general. Let's do that right now. We'll change that to name over here. And the text, I believe you can just change that. Okay, name. And then we're just going to remove the other fields. There you go. Now we have just email and name. Something happened. Maybe I didn't apply where I changed something. Well, looks like this somehow got reset back, so I'm going to fix this. And we just want the, this is just the tag for the data. And we just want to label that as name. Click on Save Changes. And there you have it, our first opt-in list. Alright guys, now that we have our list, what we're going to do now is integrate this with ClickFunnels. So to do that, we're going to go to our account name over here and go to Profile and Extras, API Keys. And this is what we need to give ClickFunnels so that it can integrate with Mailchimp. Since we just created this new account, we don't have an API key yet, so we'll just generate one, create a key. And there it is right there. Just highlight it and copy that. And now if we go back to ClickFunnels, let's save this and get out of here. And just go to our account and go to integrations. And we can just disregard that for now. So let's go to add new integration. And we want, of course, Mailchimp, and there it is. And we can give this a name. We'll just call it Mailchimp. There we go. There's our API key that we copied from Mailchimp, and we're going to click on Add Integration. And there you go, success. Now we have Mailchimp as an integration with ClickFunnels. Now that we have Mailchimp integrated, let's go back to our funnel. So go back to Funnels. Click on our funnel. And we're going to go and edit our page. And to do this, we're going to go to Settings, Integrations, and we're going to tie in with Mailchimp. So just click on this button here, Mailchimp, and action. We're going to add to list. So pretty much what this means is when someone puts in their name and email address, we're going to add that to that list that we just created in Mailchimp for our opt-in earlier. And the list to add is, as you can see on here, there's our list from Mailchimp. And one thing I want you to take note here is this last field here for confirmation email. We don't want that, because if you have that selected, that means that they're going to, your users will double opt in, and we don't want that. So we're going to select don't send confirmation email. And now that we have that selected, just click off. And if you want to double check your work, you can just go back to integrations and everything is set there. So awesome.